Hello students, welcome back to our English session. Today, in this session, we will be learning our remaining parts of speech. In our previous session, we had learned 4 parts of speech. Today, we will continue the remaining parts of speech. So, let us begin. Now, our next part of speech is a pronoun. You will see I have written an example over here. Shilpa is my friend. She lives in Mumbai. You will observe that I have used the name Shilpa only once in the sentence. Plus, when I am talking about whose friend she is, I did not use anybody's name, but instead of that I have written mine. Further, I have also continued by saying she lives in Mumbai. Now here when I am talking she, it automatically represents Shilpa. Why have I done this? I have used words instead of her name just to avoid the repetition of her name all over in the sentences. So, pronouns are words that are used in place of or instead of a noun. Like, if it's a girl, we can use she or her. If it's a boy or a man, we can use he, his, him. If it's a particular thing, or even if it's a place, we can replace it by writing it. And if we are talking about group of people, we can use we, us, they, etc. And for all these, genders over here or group of people or girl, boy, there is one common pronoun which we can use, and that is you. This you represents a particular person over there. Our next part of speech is a preposition. Now, what is a preposition? It tells us about the position, location, time, even direction, about a noun, pronoun, or even about an action, that how, when, where, why the particular incident has taken place. Now you will see through the examples. I have written some examples over here. The first example is the pen. Now here I am holding a pen. It tells the position of this pen, that where is the pen? The pen is in my hand. It's in the hand. Second example, the train is passing through a tunnel. Here we are talking about the passing of the train, and we also know that where it is. The location is that it's in a tunnel, but where, at which exact position it is through a tunnel. Third, I was absent yesterday. It tells the time that yesterday I was not present or I was absent. Now, our next part of speech is a conjunction. Conjunction is nothing but words that join words or sentences together. Here you will see I have written an example. Dusky is my pet and she is a cat. If I wish to divide this sentence into 2 parts, I'll get 2 different sentences over here. Like, Dusky is my pet will be one part and the second part will be she is a cat. But instead of writing 2 different sentences, I've used a word and I've joined both the parts together to make one complete sentence. And the word that I've used in between these 2 parts is and. Here, and represents a conjunction. There are some common conjunctions that we make use while making sentences or while joining 2 sentences together to make one complete statement. They are and, but, or, so, for, because, yet, etc. These are the words that are used to join 2 parts of a sentence. Now let us move on towards our last part of speech, that is interjection. Interjections are expressions that show our feelings and emotions. We sometimes are happy, we sometimes are sad, we sometimes are surprised, we are sometimes shocked, sometimes we even feel very sad. Just to show what we are feeling at that moment, we use some expressions, and those expressions are called interjections. In interjection, exclamation mark is used at the end of every expression. Plus, it expresses, as I said, feelings like joy, fear, excitement, pain, surprise, shock, sympathy, etc. Here are some examples of interjections or the expressions that we use to show our feelings and emotions. Hooray! Usually, it is used to show happiness and joy, even excitement. Alas, when we hear something bad or we are shocked about something, or we feel bad, sorry for someone, or when we hear a very bad news, we usually say alas. Ouch! When you are hurt, when you are in pain, just to let others know what you are going through, we use such words. And these words or expressions are called interjections. So, students, I hope you all have understood the remaining parts of speech that we have learned today. Thank you, students.